In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize your Instagram bio in 2026. So whether you want more followers, better branding, or higher engagement, yeah, a strong bio can make a huge difference. Your Instagram bio is usually the first thing people notice when visiting your profile. It quickly tells visitors who you are and why they should follow you. First, choose a clean and recognizable profile picture. Blurry or confusing images can make your account look less professional. Try using a username that's simple, searchable, and easy to remember. Avoid adding too many numbers or complicated symbols. A good bio usually tells people what to do next. For example, you can invite them to watch your videos, visit your website, or send you a message. Instagram allows clickable links in your bio, so use that space wisely. Creators often link YouTube channels, websites, shops, or multiple links using link tools. Story highlights can also improve your profile a lot. They help visitors quickly explore your best content, products, or important information. Try keeping your profile picture, bio style, highlights, and content visually connected. I mean, strong branding makes your account feel more professional. Avoid writing bios that are too long, confusing, or full of random hashtags. Yeah, simple and clear usually works much better. One smart strategy is updating your bio regularly based on promotions, trending content, or new goals for your account. And that's basically the full guide to optimizing your Instagram bio in 2026. Keep testing different ideas and focus on making your profile clear, professional, and easy to follow.